Hey guys, so I finally got my new multimeter in. Picked it up. My brother-in-law gave me some cash for Christmas, so I picked this one up. It's pretty nifty. All I really need it for is checking resistors anyway and small stuff. So, but it's kind of cool because it just folds down, fits in your pocket if you want to take it around. Only thing I'm a little bit upset about is it uses a AAA battery, which I was really hoping to get one that was a USB-C rechargeable. But considering that this thing just is going to sit on my bench top anyway, I'm thinking about pulling it out of this case and putting one of my batteries in a recharge circuit onto it and just kind of turning this into a benchtop multimeter. My brother-in-law's actually got some 3D printers, so might see about trying to make a new little case to slot it all down into. Would be kind of cool, a fun little project. I'm absolute pans at 3D modeling, so I wouldn't be doing that part though. Well, there's the update. Hopefully I'll have some of my projects finished here pretty soon. I'll be able to show them off.